Saw a couple cypress trees, which are Tom's favorite type of tree, because he thinks they're just beautiful when they get older, which they really are. When you like paddle around a cypress forest, it's gotten even louder, the cicadas. We just passed a snake that was underneath the water on the side of the trail, so we just kind of walked by quietly. Ooh, I hear a waterfall too. Oh, look at that, so pretty. It smells good here. There's honeysuckle. I love honeysuckle.
Flowers along the trail. Beautiful foliage along the trail. Definitely some mud to walk through on the trail.
Madam?
Just around the corner of the river bend. We're headed across the dam. It's pretty crazy, pretty high up. Yeah, wow. Pretty wild.